So, what's up guys, and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. Today we'll be tying a rather simple pattern, a Pheasant Tail 1, and I'm using a mini jig in 14, size 14 from Ahrex as a hook. And I'm using a Nano Silk 30 denier thread in black. And remember to like, share and subscribe. And using a slotted bead, tungsten bead, 3.8 mil for the weight of this pattern. So it's basically a pheasant tail, like a simplified pheasant tail pattern with a purple bead. It's really not my invention or anything, but I find that I've caught some fish on it. Especially, it's like a good springtime pattern. For the tail of the fly, I am using a ring pheasant feathers from the tail. I'm gonna try to keep the profile not too thick on the fly. But as I said, this is like an attracting pattern. You can, if you want, I mean, you can tie this kind of a fly, like just with a different type of color on the bead. You can tie it with orange or even chartreuse or whatever color you prefer. I will suggest you just have it in few colors. It's a very successful pattern that definitely delivers fish. And I'm using a micrometal for the rib in orange. And we'll attach that first. You can attach like a wire on it. It depends on your, preferences, what to tie. If you are using a silver wire or copper wire or even a purple wire just to match the bead, depends on your preferences. I'm gonna snip this away. And the pattern description or the full pattern you can find in the video's description below. You can also support the channel if you like. You will find the links to that, to my PayPal. But for the body of the fly, I'm using this pheasant tail feather here. Pinch of a few fibers to build up the body. And as I said, this is a really simple pattern. And I'm gonna trim away the tips of the feather. I'm gonna tie it down like so, and then we'll build up the body of the fly. And the pheasant tail originally is Frank Sawyer's pattern, without a bead, of course, with a lot of copper wire on it to make it heavy, the weight. But this is about how I like to tie it. We'll be tying some more versions of the pheasant tail in the very future of the channel, but this is just to give you like a little hint of an idea how I myself prefer to dress this fly. I'll snip this away here and snip this away as well. And then we'll do like a little dubbing, like as a color on the fly, just simple color of the fly. As I told you guys in this, before we say that, we will wrap the wire in the counter direction of the feather to build up reinforce the body. But what I was going to say, I have not been as active as I have wanted the last last 4 weeks as I wanted to share more videos and share more content and create more content than I have done. Reason for that is like I've been dealing with some serious health conditions, and you can just be thankful that I'm able to deliver one video a week. It could be worse. It could be much worse. It could be no video at all, to be honest. But fortunately, like I say, I'm still here, and later on we'll speak about this health issues, maybe a little bit more, inform you guys. For the color of the fly, I'm using an ice dubbing from Semperfli. Just like a little color to hide the knot of the fly, make like a dubbing noodle on it. It's a little bit thick, I know that. It's a little bit too much of a material we're making, but I'm not sure if it really differs anything. The deal is that it is effective, and it works great for spring fishing and fishing in actually all season. And then you can, when you get this color on, you can tear the color with like a topping brush or something. It depends on how buggy you want your fly to be. This is, as I said, this is just like a very simple fly. I'll be coming up with hopefully some more complicated patterns now, and remaking some with new materials that are on the market from Semperfli. But with that said, I just want to say to you guys, remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And if you like the content, you can comment below, share the video, support the channel. We're very thankful for that due to my health conditions. And we place just like a little drop of Sapagap on the collar just to seal the knot, and we are good to go. So I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.